Welcome to our channel. If you need to request an IRS transcript and you're working with the Department of Veterans Affairs, follow this quick guide to obtain the correct documents. Step 1. Understand that IRS transcripts are issued by the Internal Revenue Service, not the Department of Veterans Affairs. The VA may require IRS transcripts for benefits verification, but you request them from the IRS directly. Step 2. Visit the IRS website at irs.gov and navigate to the Get Your Tax Record section. Step 3. Click on Get Transcript Online to access the online transcript delivery system, which is the fastest method. Step 4. Create an account or sign in to your existing IRS account. You'll need to verify your identity using personal information and authentication methods. Step 5. Once logged in, select the type of transcript you need. Common types include tax return transcript, tax account transcript, or record of account. Step 6. Choose the tax year for which you need the transcript. You can typically access transcripts for the current year and up to 3 previous years. Step 7. View the transcript online immediately or select the option to download it as a PDF for submission to the Department of Veterans Affairs. Step 8. If you prefer mail delivery, use the Get Transcript by Mail option on the IRS website, though this takes 5 to 10 business days. Step 9. Submit the IRS transcript to the VA along with any other required documentation for your benefits application or verification process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.